Where's the screen? I'm screen.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I just want to complain about one thing. Ma'am, what is MOI?
Ma'am, can you repeat grand?
Ma'am, I just want to.
Ma'am, I want a small little baby. Question that will you send it?
Ma'am, Sanvi, can you repeat? And ma'am, I had a question that you said ma for girls. Ma'am, when we say my family, then there also we use
Ma'am,
ma.
your voice is not. Ma'am, I just want to complain about one thing. Yeah, I just want to say complain about one thing that in ma'am, everybody is chatting in the chat box, and I hope if you can just disable it because it's disturbing all of us.
Ma'am, your internet is very
Sanvi,
low.
I had a doubt.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm Sanvi. I have a doubt in grand. And ma'am, one more
Ma'am, what
thing.
do we say?
ma'am, I have a doubt in all of this. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have a doubt in
get that
I have a question.
Ma family we have not used may and ma'am.
Madam.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in Sanvi Agarwal.
Madam. Madam.
Okay, tell me. I can hear you. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
What do we say?
that in my family, we use
Can you repeat all of this? Can you tell me the meaning of
Ma'am, what do you mean by
we have a doubt.
Tell me the meaning of
Then we use for girls, ma'am, but in my family, we use ma instead of me.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the meaning of
All right. Okay. So you okay. All right. Give me a second. Okay, so you are saying ma, why I'm using ma here, okay? Ma, famille. So why I'm using? Because famille is a feminine word. So I'm using ma, okay? Why I'm using ma? Because family is a feminine word. So that's why I'm using. Okay, and may. So this is a little bit, something bigger than your level. So ma, mom, may. Okay, just trying to tell you that for my we use ma, mom, may. Okay, so for girl I'm using ma, and for boys I'm using mo, and for plural I'm going to use may. So just as grandparents, so they are more than one, so this is may. All right, so may, gho, paho, mo, gho, pair. Gho, Grand, this is gho. Gho, okay, this is gho. All right, this is gho. Gho, okay, may, gho, paho. May, gho, paho. This is my grandparents. Now come to my grandfather. This is mo, gho, pe. Mo, gho, pe. 5 times. Mo, gho, pe. 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 Very nice. Next is my grandmother. So this is ma, gho, me. Very nice. So ma, gho, me. 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 Wonderful. So next is, all of you now know mon père, right? My father. Mon père. 5 times. Mon père, mon père, mon père, mon père, mon père. Next is ma mère, my mother. Ma mère, ma mère, ma mère, ma mère, ma mère. All right? Okay. So next is, you can see an uncle here. Uncle, you can see, right? All of you can see uncle also. So uncle is a boy. I'm going to use mon oncle. So this will be mon oncle. Okay? Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Noncle. You are going to say noncle. Listen me first. This is noncle. Okay? Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Okay? Mon oncle. Mon oncle. 5 times. Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Okay? Mon oncle. All right, everyone? Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Okay? Next is, you can see auntie. You can see auntie also. So this is ma tante. Ma tante. Ma tante. Tante. Okay? Ma tante. 5 times. Ma tante. 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 Okay? So mon oncle, ma tante. Ma tante. Mon oncle, ma tante. Okay? So now you can read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 6 family members. Now you know how to say my grandfather, my grandmother, my father, my mother, my uncle, my auntie. Right? 6 family members now you know very well. Okay? So now I am coming to how do I say my father, I mean my brother. So my brother is mon frère. Mon frère. Wonderful. All of you say 5 times. Mon frère. I can see everyone. If you are not able, if you do not speak, I can understand. I can see you. Okay? Say louder. Mon frère. Okay? Mon frère. Mon frère. Wonderful. Good job. Mon frère. Mon frère. Wonderful. Mon frère. Okay? Mon frère. Very nice. So next you see moi, M-O-I. Moi, M-O-I. You see here? Moi. So this is me. Moi. Okay? Moi. So moi means me. It's me. Okay? Ma sœur. So my sister is ma sœur. Okay? Ma sœur. Just as I say ka. Right? Ma sœur. Ma sœur. 5 times. Very nice. All of you 5 times. Ma sœur. Ma sœur. Okay? All right. So, if I say, what do I call my father? So the answer will be mon père. Right? If I say my father, so answer will be mon père. If I say my grandfather, mon grand-père. Mon grand-père. Okay? Mon grand-père, mon père. Mon grand-père, mon père. Okay? If I say my mother, ma mère. My grandmother, ma grand-mère. Okay, ma grand-mère. Okay. Now you see cousins. You see cousins also in the picture? All of you can see? Okay, so the cousins are mon cousin. Cousin. Just as we say pizza, so same as cousin. Okay, mon cousin. Mon cousin. Cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. All of you say 5 times. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Okay? Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Mon cousin. Okay? All right, everyone? Any question? Okay, now, Ayana, you want to say something? Anaira, Vedanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to
Yes,
ask.
ma'am, I have a question.
Okay, tell me, Anaira.
Ma'am, what we say uncle as mon oncle.
Mon oncle. N. N will also be joined with the O. The sound of
Mon
N.
oncle.
Mo. Listen me first.
Ma'am, it's
Mo.
mon or mom?
Okay, MON is mo. Okay. If you see oncle, so oncle नहीं बोलना आपको, N भी इसके साथ join करना है. So this will become
Mon oncle.
mo. Listen me first, okay? Mo noncle. No. जैसे हम no बोलते हैं ना, noncle बोलना है आपको. Everyone.
Mon oncle.
Yes, mo noncle. Okay.
And ma'am, I wanted to ask, what do you say, my grandparents?
Mo grand-parents. I mean, mes grands-parents. Okay?
मैं grand-parents.
mes
grand-parents.
parents. Very nice. Mes grands-parents. Okay?
And ma'am, the baby moi, right?
Sorry?
The baby moi.
Yeah, baby, not baby. It's me. Me. Mua means me. ये मैं हूँ. क्योंकि मैं अपने से relate कर रही हूँ. That's why I'm saying mua. It's me.
Oh,
Mua
okay.
means me. तो मैं अपने से relate कर रही हूँ. ये मैं हूँ. Mua. ये मेरे पापा हैं, मम्मा हैं. Mua. Mua means me. Okay?
Okay.
Baby as in baby.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, you want to read? So I will call you
No,
first.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, tell.
No, I have a question that what we say the both cousins.
Okay. Mon cousin. Mon
Mon cousin.
and
Mon
cousine. Ma
Mon cousin. Mon cousin.
cousin. And the girl will be ma cousine. Okay?
Ma cousine.
Yeah.
Ma cousine.
Yeah.
Ma cousine.
Cousine. Okay?
Ma
Very nice. Benita, you want to know something? Ayana,
cousin.
Nanshi,
Ma cousin.
Adya.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Okay, tell me. Ayana, Shriyanshi, Trisha.
Ma'am, Ayana.
Ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay.
I was just asking what do you call grandparents?
Grandparents? Grand-parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Grand-parents.
Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, what do we call grandfather and grandmother?
Grandfather, would you like to try? What can we say? What do you think? Grandfather.
Can I speak this?
Grandfather will be grand as in gho. Okay? Gho. Father will be pe. Gho, pe.
Can I speak this?
Yeah. Ranbir, you have question?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Ranbir,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, can you say, what do you say, brother and cousin girl?
Okay, brother as in more fair. Fair. Fair.
Ma'am, not friend, brother.
Fair. Fair. Brother as in fair.
Fair.
Fair, yeah. And cousin as in kuza. More kuza.
No, ma'am, the girl cousin.
Well, cousin, ma cuisine.
Ma
Ma
cousin.
cuisine, yeah.
Ma cousin.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can I see the whole can I see the whole
Okay,
tree?
you want to read? Okay, I will call you. Okay, just hold on. Adya, you have doubt? You want to know something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, what do you say the baby?
Baby. Mua, this is, you want to know about Mua or baby?
Ma'am,
Words. Mua, it's me. Mua means me. If you see the picture of a baby, so if you see here, the baby is trying to relate everyone. He's saying, this is my family, right? So my family, ma family, okay? So the baby is saying, he is my grandfather, she is my grandmother. So instead of saying he is or she is, the baby is just saying, my grandfather, my grandmother, my father, my mother, right? Like if you want to know what is the specific word for father, so you can just remove mo, ma, me, so you will get the answer. So père is the father, mère is the mother, oncle, uncle, yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt how to say grandfather.
Grandfather, okay, would you like to try? Grand, how do you say grand?
Ma'am,
Grand as in gho, okay, gho, and father as in pair, gho, pair, okay, yeah, very nice, gho, pair, okay,
excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, what is moi?
moi,
Yes, ma'am.
mua, mua means me, okay,
Oh,
mua means me,
okay.
moi,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So, Vedanshi, I think you are done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Benita, you also done? Okay. Tanvi, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, uncle should be long.
Noncle. Mo, noncle.
Long.
Noncle.
Long.
Okay, mo, noncle.
Ma'am, it should start with N or L.
N, N. Because you see,
Long.
yeah, noncle. Mo, noncle. So if I say oncle, oncle means uncle. My uncle, I will say mon oncle. Okay, my
Mon
uncle. So I will say mon oncle. If I want to say only uncle, I will say oncle. So oncle, yeah, oncle is a word for uncle. Okay, uncle as an uncle, my uncle, mon uncle.
Mon.
Mono. Very nice.
Mon.
Yeah. Arna,
Ma'am, can I read?
sorry.
Ma'am, can I read like you said? You will just-
Not now. Okay. Today I'm just trying to answer. If you have any doubt in pronunciation of the names, my family. Okay. in the next session, I will call everyone. Okay, so just practice at your home also. You have the recording also. So I think recording is working, right? So you can listen it one more time or as many times as you want. Ayana, you want to say something?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to speak the
Okay, you want to read the family tree?
yes.
Okay, so in the next lesson or in the next session, I will call everyone. Okay, not today. Yeah. Arna Jain, you
Ma'am,
want to say
in the next
something?
session, can you disable
Excuse
the
me,
chat?
ma'am.
Arna Jain,
Ma'am, ma'am,
Hey, ma'am, in the next session, can you disable the chat?
yeah. In
first
this
one is
session
that
also, I have
what is
disabled the chat. Okay, I think
Excuse me,
now
ma'am.
we will not be able to chat.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah,
Arna.
yeah. Arna,
Ma'am,
tell
I
me.
have doubts. The first doubt is that what is go in what is the meaning of go in English?
What is the meaning of
Go, go.
ka? Ka. This is heart. Ka.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Give me the
Yeah, ka. This is heart. Okay, and sa means sister. Okay, so
ma'am. The word in the heart. I'm saying.
so this is ka means heart.
It means heart. Oh.
Okay, ka means
And ma'am, the second doubt is in that tree.
yeah.
The uncle one. It is more. Does it give the sound in L the last?
Okay.
The sound
So
in the last.
if I want to say uncle, so oncle, oncle. Okay.
So does it give the L sound in last?
Yes, yes, oncle. Yes. Okay.
Oncle.
If I want to say my uncle, it will be mon oncle. Mon oncle. Noncle.
Noncle.
Wow. Mon oncle. Okay. Oncle.
Excuse me,
mon oncle.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Shreyanshi, you have question? Shreyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I had the question that, ma'am, what is cousin called?
Mo cousin. Mo cousin. Okay. Very nice.
Excuse me,
Arjun,
ma'am.
Ma'am, and the girl cousin.
Ma cousine. Ma cousine. Okay. Arjun, you have question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what do we say grandparents in
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what we will say baby in French?
Baby. Baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, all right. Akash,
Ma'am, what?
Akash, you have
Ma'am?
question? Akash,
Ma'am, what do we say baby in French?
baby. Anaira,
Ma'am?
Anaira, hold on. I will call you. Anaira,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm here. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that. Ma'am, what do we like? I wanted to say that this is me. So, what will I say in that French?
say moi. It's me. Moi. Okay.
This is me, ma'am. This is me.
Yeah, say moi. Say moi. C-E-S-T. Say
Moi.
moi. Okay. Say moi.
Mo.
Moi. Okay. All right. So, Anaira.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Anaira, you have question?
No, ma'am. I asked you a
Done?
question.
Okay, sorry. So, Anya, you have question?
Yes,
Anya?
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. How do you pronounce dad in French?
Dad?
Yes.
Okay, père. Pear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
P-R-E, pear. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Sanvi, you have doubt
Yes, ma'am.
or you're done?
Ma'am, I want to say how do we say baby?
Say
I know it's mom, but baby, what do we say?
Baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tashi, you want to say something or you have doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Good. Anyone else? Anyone else is left? Anyone is left? Any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Adya.
Yeah, Adya.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I am left.
Yashita.
Ma'am, what do you call grandfather in French?
Grand-
Can
what
you
do
please
we call?
Ma'am, Yashita.
What do we call uncle in
Ma'am,
French?
Yashita.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
Please,
Adya.
ma'am. Yashita. Ma'am, Yashita. Ma'am, Yashita.
Ma'am, what do we call? Ma'am, Arjun.
Ma'am, Yashita. Ma'am, can we leave now?
Ma'am, what do we
Ma'am,
call grandfather in
Yashita.
French?
Ma'am, Yashita.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
Yashita.
mute
Ma'am,
everybody.
Yashita.
okay, Yashita, and to everyone for grandfather. Okay, so grandfather is grand-père. Okay, grandfather is grand-père. Okay, grand-père. If I want to say my grandfather, so mon grand-père. Okay, so père means father. Père means father. Grandfather will be grand-père. Okay, grandfather, grand-père. My grandfather, mon grand-père. Okay, mon grand-père. Okay, Shriyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I think, I have, you have asked me.
Okay, you are done. Okay, so Yashita,
Ma'am,
yeah,
can you see? Ma'am, but can you see?
Ma'am, can we leave
now?
Class right now, so ma'am, can I leave?
yeah, just if
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, we are done with today's lesson. If you want to leave, you can. We are just winding up.
Yeah, ma'am. I want something, ma'am. I want to say something. Ma'am, ask something.
Last doubt.
Okay,
Ma'am,
tell me.
what do we
Okay, if you want to
can I
leave, you
ask
can.
Ma'am, what's
Ma'am, doubt. Ma'am,
Ma'am, what do we say, brother?
Excuse me, madam.
Ma'am, what do we say, brother?
Excuse me, madam.
Okay, so for
Atish,
okay,
I have a doubt.
okay, tell me, Atish, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, what we
Yeah. Okay. Tell me. Okay, so I think you can listen the recording one more time. Okay, it's already 5:30. So I will be saving this recording and you can listen it. Still, if you have any doubt, we will discuss this topic one more time in the next session. Okay, don't worry. I will call everyone. So do practice and listen this recording also and do practice. And when in the next session, I will call your name and listen. So then I will correct you. All right? Agree, all of you? All right, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Once can you repeat how to say parents?
For the class, it was very, very.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Please repeat how to say parents.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, please say how to say parents. Ma'am, how do we say parents?
Aho.
Ma'am, how to say brother?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to say brother?
The recording, okay? And
Ma'am,
brother
how
is
to say?
fair. Fair, okay? Brother
Ma'am,
is
how to say my family tree?
my family, ma family.
No, my family tree.
Okay, you know it's a very big spelling, so I will tell you later on. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're all good. Bye.
Good? Yeah.
Thank you for a lovely meeting.
Very nice. Same here.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Oshote. You can say Oshote.
Oshote.
Means nice to meet you.
Owa.
Oh Habwa.
Oh,
Bye.
Hagua.
Abiento.
Bye, ma'am.
Abianto. Bizu bizu.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abiento?
Next
Means.
lesson. Okay. We
Ma'am,
will
I have actually learned this from school, so that's why.
Okay.